In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize and send emails in Pipedrive. Let's start from the main Pipedrive dashboard. To begin, you'll want to open up your contacts. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the icon that looks like a person. This is the contacts icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where Pipedrive stores all the people and organizations you're working with, so it's the best place to start when you want to send a tailored email. Once the contacts view opens, make sure you're on the people section. This will show you a list of individual contacts rather than companies. From here, find the person you want to email and click directly on their name. That will open their contact profile, where you can see all the information related to them, like activities, notes, and deals. At the top center of this profile, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled Email and click on it. This tab is dedicated to all email communication with that specific contact, so it's a good way to keep everything organized in one place. If you've already synced your email with Pipedrive, any past conversations may also appear here. Now, to start a new message, click the Compose button. In some layouts, you might see a text box appear directly in the Email tab. If that's the case, you can simply click inside that text box to begin writing. This opens up the email editor where you can customize your subject line and body text. You can now type your message. This is where you personalize your email. Mention recent conversations, deals you're working on, or anything relevant to that contact. If you want to save time or maintain consistent messaging, you can also click on Templates. Templates are pre-made emails that you or your team have created in advance. You can select a template and then tweak the wording so it still feels personal and specific to this contact, rather than a generic mass email. Once you're happy with your subject line and the content of your email, take a quick moment to proofread it for clarity and tone. When everything looks good, simply click Send. Pipedrive will log this email under the contact's profile, helping you keep track of your communication history and follow-ups.